How to use same Telegram account on two devices. Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I will show you how you can use the same Telegram account on two different devices. So for example, you want to use your Telegram account on your mobile device and your laptop or PC. So what you can do is to go ahead and open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed in into your account on this app. So if you're signing up on your account on your mobile device, you'll need to actually send the code to the registered mobile number on your Telegram account, and you can also receive the code on the Google Mail connected into your Telegram account. Now, once you're signed in into your account on your mobile, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and head over to your settings by clicking on the settings tab under the sidebar that you can find on your left side of your screen. Now, on the settings page, you'll be able to find the devices tab. So go ahead and click on the devices tab under the settings section, and that will allow you to find all of the devices where your Telegram account is currently signed in. To be able to access your Telegram account on your laptop or PC, you'll need to click on this link desktop device button under the devices section and open telegram.com on your browser on your PC or laptop. Now you'll be able to find a QR code on that page, so you'll need to scan that QR code on your mobile device and approve the sign in of your Telegram account on that PC or laptop. And after that, you'll be able to access your Telegram account on both your mobile device and your laptop or PC. And that is how you can basically sign in into your Telegram account at the same time on two different devices. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.